Hey guys, so it's set up already. You guys can see that's where I'm gonna put all my food and stuff. I got my air fryer, got my coffee maker, my bed. It's looking good. I'm gonna car wash the car. Off first. Off. And let's go. It up. Okay guys, car wash na, malinis na ang bebe. Pogi mo bro. Pogi ng anak ko. Nakakagigil ang pogi mo. Vacuum na lang. Anuin ko to, vacuum na lang. Tapos na, na-vacuum ko na lahat. It's clean. Vacuumed everything. So guys, kita nyo? Ready to go na. Alam ko, marami sa inyo baka nagtatanong, bakit ka natutulog sa kotse? Yan ang gusto ko eh. I live my life on the road. I live my life traveling. I love it. Hindi ko po kinahihiya living in a car because I save a lot of money. Kaya nga po nakakapagbakasyon ako kahit ilang buwan ako sa Pinas eh. It doesn't take a lot to make me happy. Hindi po ako mahirap ipasaya. The simple things in life makes me happy. You know, God bless me this car. God bless me with this kind of life. I can't ask for more. Iba-iba po tayo, iba-iba ang buhay natin, right? Iba-iba sitwasyon. For me, ito po buhay ko. Masaya po ako. Hindi ko po nahihiya. Really, I'm very happy with my situation. Kung saan ko gusto, doon ako. Baka sa inyo nagtatanong, saan ka naliligo? Saan ka? Sa gym. I pay for gym. I take a shower in the gym. And minsan po, I don't even have to go to the gym. Sa hospital po ako. Naliligo. Hey guys, go-grocery ako ngayon. Kailangan akong bilhin pang punas sa kotse. Okay, bili tayo wipes dahil importante po na hindi ako magkasakit. Lysol na lang tayo. Lysol is proven. Ano to? Citrus. Ito na lang. Then pabango sa kotse. Mabango to I don't know. Ito na lang. Mas mura to $5 lang naman. Kaya ko lang ng isa. Kailangan ko ng toothbrush. Ito lang ang medium. Maganda to. There. For $1. So, convert ko yan sa peso. That's like, magkano? Magkano yan? 500 pesos? Mga 400 pesos. Vitamin C tayo. Shout out sa mahal ko. Miss na kita. Yeah. Kung nandito lang si mahal oh my God, it would be the best time of my life. Hintayin na lang talaga na sana mapabilis ang alam niya na. Okay, so buksan na natin to. And I got my Lysol. Marami sa inyo na tataka. Pwede ka naman mag-hotel. Pwede ka mag-renta. You could rent a place to stay or, get a hotel. Yeah, time to time. If I want. If I want to rent a place or If I want to go to a hotel or motel, I could do it. It's just, nanghihinayan lang ako. May times na nanghihinayang ako. Like, example, depende sa lugar. May lugar na $100 a night, $200 a night. Alam niyo yun, it's kind of like, parang, pwede naman ako matulog sa kotse, di ba? Komportable naman ako. Tsaka, peace of mind din. Kasi, ugali ko kasi palagi ako nag-aalala sa kotse. Alam niyo, natural na yun. Dahil, yan ang baby ko eh. You know, bahay ko na yan eh. Kotse ko yan eh. You know, yan ang nagdadala sa akin sa kailangan ko puntahan, mga kontrata ko. You know, makakuha ko ng kontrata. So, best friend ko na yan, anak ko na yan. Kaya, hindi maiwasan. There's times na nag-aalala din ako. You know, nag-aalala, baka ano man mangyari sa kotse, alam mo na. So, mas maganda, dun ako sa loob ng kotse, matulog, you know, para hindi na rin ako nag-aalala. It's peace of mind, actually. So, sa mga nagtataka, you know, pwede naman ako. Pwede po ako magrenta. Pwede po ako, nakikita nyo naman, you know, mga post ko, I go wherever I want. I could stay in a hotel. I could, you know, do whatever I want. It's not, hindi po ako dapat kaawaan. I'm just letting that out. Hindi sa, nagyayabang ako at hindi po ako mayabang na tao. Very humble po ako. Pero sa mga hindi kasi alam, no? Sa mga hindi alam ang buhay ko, sitwasyon ko, ang sino ako, ugali ko ba, tsaka mga gusto ko. I like to be on the road. It's a lot of freedom. And ako po yung tipong tao na pinapahalagahan ko po sobra-sobra ang freedom. Yung malaya ka gawin kung ano gusto mong gawin. Malaya kang pumunta kung saan mo gusto pumunta. Malaya kang, alam niyo yun, oras mo. Kasi oras ang pinaka masasabi kong enemy, 'di ba? Time is number one enemy. Lahat tayo may hinahabol na oras, 'di ba? Hindi tayo all the time. We're not always gonna be young, right? Every day we get older. So for me, yan po ang pananaw ko sa buhay ko. I don't live my life na nakakulong sa isang box. Of course, everybody, respeto ko kung anong nyo sa buhay nyo, kung, you know, kasi iba-iba tayo, right? For me, I just, gusto ko malaya gusto ko malaya ako, you know? Binigay ako ng buhay ng Ama na desisyon ko, kung ano gusto ko. So, yan lang, pinapasalamat ko sa Panginoon, you know? And, lahat din to sakripisyo kasi again gusto ko na mapunta rito ang asawa ko, and alam nyo naman, you know, ganun talaga, may sakripisyo yan yan ang totoong pagmamahal, yung pinaghihirapan mo, you know, handa ka gawin lahat, you know, para lang makasama mong mahal mo, you know, siya lang kaiisa na gagawin ko to. And hindi po ako nahihiya. Hindi dapat kahiyaan yan. Dapat nga, mayabang yan Kasi, nasa panahon na po tayo ngayon na not many people sacrifice for love. Not many people would choose to go through hardship for love. And I'm a hopeless romantic, believe it or not. So, everything I do is for love. Corny, cheesy, but it's the truth. You guys see it, right? Yeah, that's why I go to Philippines, is to see my wife. I don't go to Philippines for anything else. That's what hopeless romantics do. Everything for love. Ayan, my lips are dry. Nag-a-adjust po ako sa weather. My body's adjusting again to the weather here. It's cold here in San Francisco. And I love it. I love the cold. I miss the cold. But anyway, I'm gonna start vlogging because, one, I know my wife misses me very much, and you know, it gives me motivation too. Namamotivate po ako, you know, to just continue doing what I do and again, for my wife. This is all for my wife, to be honest with everyone. This is all for my wife, and also for me. But again, if it wasn't for my wife, I wouldn't be in this and wouldn't be doing this. So I just want you to know, man, I love you very much, and the time is close where we don't need to be physically far away from each other. Malapit na. Konting taste na lang, hintay na lang talaga ng interview mo. That's it. That's all we're gonna wait for. And just know na nasa awa tayo ng Diyos. It's in God's time, it's in God's grace, and God's understanding and God's love, that He will bless us to physically be together, and grow old together. And there's so many places I want to go with you. There's so many things I want to do, so many places I want to see. Nakasama ka, just you and me, and try different foods and just travel the world together. And of course, mag-iipon ako, for a house. Get a house and but mostly travel. That's what I want while we're still young, while we still can, walk, while we still can see, while our legs are still strong, while we're still strong. That's how I want to live our life. And I know you being my wife, you always support what I want. And you trust me enough and respect me enough to follow my lead. And I want you to know I appreciate that very much. And I love and respect you very much. I'm excited for our future. Yeah. So I'm going to keep vlogging. I'm going to keep vlogging every day. That's what I'm going to do. So if the U.S. Embassy wants to see everything, well, here it is. I love my wife. I am sacrificing a lot just to have my wife come here in America. So I'm gonna vlog. I don't know. I might open my own YouTube channel.